Hey guys, this is Darren here from Rogue Aquariums coming at you from my kitchen. Look what landed on the front door today. A whole bunch of Brightwell Aquatics products. I've been using the Brightwell line here for a little bit now. Mainly just the reef code A and B. When I was at Reef Stock last year, I talked to Vincent and Lou from Worldwide Corals, and this is what they use in their system. So I decided to go ahead and use that in my Red Sea Reefer, and I had some good results. The stability with the calcium and the alkalinity has been really good. So I like the two-part dosing here, and I'll be implementing this on my tank with my Apex system. I've got a doser I'll be using. With that being said, as some of you guys know, I've got a 600-gallon tank that I'm currently putting together right now. Total water volume a little over 800 gallons. So I reached out to Brightwell and told them what I was doing and if they would be interested in becoming a part of this build. So I sent them some pictures, they asked me some questions, what I wanted to do and where I was going to go. So I explained to them and they were more than accommodating to help me out. Matter of fact, they decided to go ahead and sponsor this build. So what they sent me some of their few products right here, which I will be using exclusively on this build. I'll also be switching over to the Neomarine salt right there, and I'll be doing a product review on that later on once I get this mixed up. Hopefully, I will have my tank up and running in the next 3 to 4 weeks. So I'll be putting out more video content on this system. They sent me some trace elements to go ahead and use on the tank. Kind of showing you some of the product. And I currently use the Microbacter right here in the Vitamarin R. So they sent me some marine snow for the marine invertebrates and for the corals, as well as the coral color. Now I'm using the coral color. I've got a little bit left, and I like what it's done for my corals, and it's really bringing the color out right here. They also sent me some BioBricks for nutrient export. Now I know this is pretty high porous, so I decided to go ahead and I'll be putting this in my sump and see how it works for me. They also sent me their Continuum line too, mainly some different algae scrapers. Now they sent me 3 different sizes on here. Now this tank I've got is 30 inches deep, so they sent me a nice long scraper here, so I don't have to go ahead and get my arms really wet right here. And they also sent me the mop blades on here. This is a cover that goes over here, and this attaches over here. So basically I can go ahead and keep the tank clean and not have to worry about scratching this on here. Especially you've got to be really careful with acrylic, as it does scratch easy. So they sent me 3 different size scrapers on here, and actually here's the acrylic blades right here. So that's what I'll be putting on here. My frag tank also, I'll be using the scrapers on here, as that is acrylic too. So really stoked to be using the Brightwell Aquatics line, and I'm really looking forward to showing the product off. And once I get my system up and running, I'll be displaying all this product. Big thanks goes out to Brightwell. I really appreciate what they've done, and really looking forward to using their product line and implementing this on my tank. Anyway guys, stay tuned for more.